Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to discuss and analyze the Nifty 50 index. So let's see how Nifty will be going to perform in coming days. So you can see in my screen, I have made some of the lines, resistance levels and support levels. So based on the previous peak points, I've I have found that 26,098 is the level, resistance level, where recently it has touched two times on the 23rd October and 29th October. It has touched that level and it has fallen down. So this is one of the strong resistance level the Nifty is not able to break. Similar level it has also touched once on September 27th. At that time also, after reaching this level, it immediately fall down. So next support level, which is around 25,677 level. Now current price is around 25,722, which is nearest to the support level 1. So let's see if this level, if the Nifty breaks this level and go towards the support level 2 or not. We can identify this while in the tomorrow's market conditions. So now let's go into deeper. So we all know that SGX Nifty, which is Singapore Nifty, and Indian Nifty, it has a very much correlation among these two indexes. Presently, Singapore Nifty is at 25,800. So, which is above the Nifty level. So will the question mark is that will Monday opening market the Nifty will be in positive or negative? As per the Singapore Nifty current present value, it should open on positive. But the analysis with it is showing it's sometimes signaling that it might fall on the coming week. Let's take some indicators to get it more understanding. Let's go with the MACD indicator. So you can see that in the MACD indicator, this green line and yellow line is almost about to touch. So as per this indicator, when green line crosses yellow line and falls down, moves downward, then it signals that market is in their falling condition. So it will keep on decreasing for few more days. So this will be decided on tomorrow itself because now the market is on critical part, support level 1. As per the MACD, we are able to tell that there is a possibility of market fall also. So let's take uh, strength index, stochastic RSI index. Let's take stochastic RSI. Recently, it has started falling down, and from that time onwards, after touching on 29th October, it has started falling with the red candles, big red candles around 0.6%, 0.5% every day. It's falling down. So, as per the RSI, there is still a chance of falling down of Nifty value. So, along with RSI, let's include the Bollinger Band. So, you can see the Bollinger Band. Now, it's not yet reached the neutral level. Neutral level, which is at 25,526. Generally, the condition is that from after touching the higher limit, it will come till the neutral level, and after touching the neutral level, there is a possibility of again increase, or it breaks the neutral level and falls down. So, as for the Bollinger Band, also there is still a chance of market fall in the Nifty. So, when we include stochastic RSI and Bollinger, both tells us that there is a possibility of market fall. So now let's remove these two. Let's see analysis using the Fibonacci retracement. So as per the using Fibonacci retracement, we can also identify that till what level we there is a possibility of fall. For Fibonacci retracement, we will take the starting point as from where the increasing trend has started. So this part is increasing trend starting point and this is the ending point. So from this point to this point. So now we have made a Fibonacci retracement graph. So in this Fibonacci retracement graph, 0.23 and 0.382. These two are the critical levels as per the Fibonacci retracement. 23% fall from the peak point, which is the first stage of fall. As you can see, it is already crossed the 23% stage of fall. So next critical is 38.2%, which is this yellow one. That value is 25,521, which is around 200 points below from the present market price. So let's see if Nifty touches this 38% level, because majority of the cases its market retraces till 38%. Very few cases it will touch the 23% and it will again rise. So now, as per my analysis with different indicators, it is telling that markets has still possibility of fall in the coming days. So let's see how market will be performing tomorrow and today, every week, this week, how it will be performing. Let's check, and don't subscribe to my channel for following videos. So in my next video, I will be again analyzing few important stocks in the Nifty market like Reliance, HDFC banks, and more different companies. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and keep watching my channel. Thank you.